Greeting, this is Mark Bro. We're going to be looking at how we can actually create a basic HTML page, web page, right? So how we're going to create that basic web page, we're going to come all the way here in the search bar, we're going to click, we're going to looking for the notepad. So we're going to use the notepad in order to create that. So now we have the notepad here, so we can actually expand it. And if you can see right up here, say untitled notepad, we have file, we have edit, we have format, and we have view. Now we're going to add the tag inside it here. So first thing we want to look at the edit, right? So we're going to type in the edit. Before we type the edit, so we're going to say HTML, right? And then we're going to actually close this, right? So very important. So we're going to press enter, and then we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to put a slash before this one. So we say HTML, and then we're going to close that, right? So everything else, I'm going to put it actually inside. So inside here now I want to put the head. So I'm going to set EAD. So I'll put the head inside here. So then I'm going to press enter, and then I'm going to put the word title inside here, and then I'm going to close it, and I'm going to press the space bar, right? And then I'm going to put the closing one here, right? So remember, I have an opening and a close. So I'm going to close this one. So now I'm going to press enter here. Now I'm going to close the head, right, by putting a slash. Very important. And then I'm going to press enter. I'm going to put the word body, because everything that you're actually going to do, going to actually inside the body. Alright, so I'm going to close the body. I'm going to press enter here, and press it again, you click a space, right, and then I'm going to put in a slash. Right here, I'm going to close it. Alright, very important. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put in a title. Right, I'm going to type that in cap. So I'm going to set my web. There's a web page. Right, so right in here. So now I'm just going to write a simple heading. So I'm going to set h1. So h1 is for heading, right? So I'm going to come like that. Very important. And then I'm going to close it again, but make sure you put a slash, right? So in between h1, I'm going to write something inside here. And then I'm going to write my photo here. Let me correct that. Alright, now we have that now. Now we have that. Now we want to save it. And then we're going to open it into Google Chrome browser. We're going to come right here to file. We're going to come down to save as. When you come to save as, you want to click up here because you want to save it on desktop. That is easier to retrieve. So when you come right here, right, what you're going to set now is web page. So you're going to set dot HTML. Right, very important. And then you're going to come right here and click and say add file, and then you're going to click save. Right, while you click save now, we're going to minimize this. Right, there you go. There's it on the desktop. I'm going to right click on it. I'm not going to click on open. I'm going to go open with. Then I'm going to open it to Google Chrome. Right, and if you notice right up here, show my photo, my web page. And notice right here, show my photo. Alright, so I'm going to bring up the notepad, and I'm going to write something else here. Alright, very important. So let me enter here. Right, I'm going to put something right there inside here, which is li. So li now give you a bullet. Alright, so I'm going to write something there. Right, I'm going to write like a car here, and then I'm going to close it just like that. Remember to put it there just like that. So I'm going to go say back it back like that. I'm going to save it by coming here, not save as save. Then I'm going to bring up the browser here, and then I'm going to come right here and refresh it. You notice carry show you here in bullet. Yes, it's very important. Right. So this is actually a basic web page. So if I want to put paragraph now, let me press enter. Right. So P is for paragraph. Right. So and then I'm gonna close it. Right. As you notice, each time I tab, I open up close. Right. I'm gonna write something in the paragraph that this is my name. Let me correct that. Is John Brown too far? John Brown, right? So I'm gonna click and I'm gonna save. I'm gonna bring up page, bring up this web page here, and I'm gonna refresh, and there you go. So that's a big difference. I hope you have learned something from this particular simple basic HTML page. So if you never understand it before, at least you get an idea how to create it. So share to the friend that the friend can actually get a basic knowledge of it.